It's just so good. It volumizes, it covers all of the lashes, it's lengthening, it's really black.
I mean, I just don't think mascara should be formulated that aren't tubular these days. Like, it just blows my mind.
For someone that's experiencing smudging, it's the only thing that I would recommend.
I agree.
I just don't think, yes, you could go waterproof, but
that's
then
so drying and crunchy.
Oh, and so annoying to try to get off. It is Monday, which means that we get to answer all of your beauty questions and dilemmas. Charlotte has asked, I'm looking for budget-friendly mascara recommendations that don't smudge under your eye, leaving you looking like a panda. I've been using Dior and Lancome, Dolly Eyes and Idol,
Idol, I think.
Idol. And whilst lashes look great, the smudging is ridiculous. I already look tired as I have 2 kids, so I need something that will work with me, not against me. Thanks, guys.
Oh, speaking of tired, thanks to kids. Great question, Charlotte. So for the Ubies, to give a bit of context, the Dior Doll Eyes is $72 on average.
That is so expensive.
It is, but it's also like anything in Mecca's kind of that. You know, like all the other ones are. Kevin a coin.
Oh, okay. I think of an expensive mascara as like, but they're 50, yeah.
Is Tarte 50? I did wonder.
Ish.
Yeah, that's true. And what's the other really famous one? Hourglass.
True.
And Lancome Idol is 68. So we're kind of hitting the $70 mark there. So I do agree that while they do make your lashes look amazing, that's pretty pricey because mascara we want to use up around about 3 months. If you don't share and it hasn't gone too dry, you can keep going, but it's not something you've got for a year. I think tubular is the way to go for our friend Charlotte. Do you?
100%. And
Yes.
I actually would almost argue that if formulas are $70 and smudging, that's not very good.
Yes. Well, look, to be honest,
She might have the most beautiful lashes that just go everywhere.
Correct. And like I'm quite a sweaty, juicy, oily eyelid girl, sweaty person. I also forget that I just wear makeup even though it's my job. So maybe she's a bit of a rubber.
Toucher.
So tubular, Kelly and I think, I just don't think mascara should be formulated that aren't tubular these days. Like it just blows my mind. So the way a tubular works, if you're not across it, is instead of like painting the lashes with what's traditionally used in the formula, it's a kind of a pigment and a wax. This is a polymer that goes on and goes that was a bad noise. And it coats
Is that what noise it makes as it goes on the lash?
That's kind of the noise I make. Well, you know how I put my mascara all over my head?
I would go, that's more of a...
That's more of a... and it's like it coats the lash with a kind of a
sock.
A sock. But you know what I realised? It's more like Glad Wrap. It Glad Wraps every single lash, so it's sealed. And that's with polymers, like teeny tiny tubes. So then to take them off, you need warm water. Take your mascara off, you need warm water. Splash your lashes, splash your fingers or a cotton pad, and then just kind of press and pull. And the little socks will come off. If it doesn't come off, your water's probably not warm enough, but otherwise that should happen. So it really shouldn't smudge unless you live in like a volcano.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've got some tubulars. Do you?
I sure do.
Are yours all tubular?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, yes.
Me
I would
too.
not, for someone that's experiencing smudging, it's the only thing that I would recommend.
I agree.
I just don't think, yes, you could go waterproof, but
that's
then
so drying and crunchy.
And so annoying to try to get off.
I mean, I've worn tubular swimming because I don't swim in hot springs, and
that
it always
stays on.
just stays there. Yeah, so it's kind of waterproof in a way.
I play netball with tubular on.
Oh, are you hot? Do you get hot because you're so like in the action?
If you saw.
I'm like
wet.
to see you.
I'm wet afterwards, like
good.
drenched.
Oh, that's a really good. Someone needs a paid partnership with you and their mascara and you playing netball.
Thank you. Or like a activewear brand. Would you like?
Yeah. Or like
sneakers?
deodorant.
Anyone.
Anyway, tell me about your tubulars and I'll tell you about mine.
All right. So the one that I absolutely love, and I discovered it last year, is the Mecca Max. When I'm thinking about affordable
yes, because
tubulars.
that's why I set the scene with the prices. Like we're hitting the $70 mark.
Yeah.
So what can we do for less than that?
And she said... Did she say that she wanted something?
Yeah, she said affordable. Budget friendly, yeah.
That's right. Mecca Max Whiplash Tubing Mascara. I know you're thinking, Kelly, we've just talked about how expensive the mascaras are at Mecca. No, because it's the Mecca Max, which is the in-house brand, it is $26, which is more affordable than a lot of full-price drugstore.
I was going to say, I would have thought it was like high like 30 something.
That one is, I love it so much.
Me too. That's a very good. I forgot about that.
It's just so good. It volumizes, it covers all of the lashes, it's lengthening, it's really black, like it's not. I'm in my brown mascara era at the moment.
Many people are.
But I really do love that one.
I did brown on top of my black today. You probably can't tell.
Oh,
only because I reached for the wrong second one.
Now, on the Reddit, the Reddit threads. What a lot of people are recommending is the Natio Precision Tubing Mascara for $17.95. I haven't tried that one.
I have it here for you. You can have a play.
Oh, my goodness. And is it fantastic? Because they say that it is.
Natio's got two tubular mascaras. One is that one is the other one. Can't tell them apart. They're both really good. Not heaps of drama, but buildable. But as like with Natio, it's kind of like that everyday, not full on hectic brand, but it's very lengthening.
And then the Poni Faux Lash Mascara, $12 from Woolworths.
$12?
I know.
I feel like that one was one of the first ones.
And that one, it used to be a lot more expensive.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about this brand on Friday, actually. So make sure you come back on Friday because they've had a big rebrand. But that one, I would say it's very similar to how you've described Natio. Like it's not, oh my goodness, you're going clubbing lashes. But it's like, okay, you've got something on your eyes.
Yeah. And most tubulars aren't as full on as normal mascaras, but
which is why some people don't.
There.
Yeah. I would say that the Mecca Max is pretty.
Yeah, my favorites are too, I think. And it's obviously like it's buildable. You don't have like once it sets, you can do a whole other coat, but I kind of try and do it all at once.
I can't be bothered ever doing that. What are yours?
Well, I have the Barry M. It's a wrap tubing mascara. That's $14.99. I think you get that at Priceline everywhere. I've used it before, but I forget where I got it. The Revlon all-in tubing mascara, that's $28, but wherever you can get Revlon, it's oftentimes on sale. At the time of recording, it's half price. And the brown in that one is very popular. So if you're looking for a new brown tubular, I haven't tried this one, but again, in my research, it's relatively new, I think. So it's getting some hype, but I can't personally endorse it. It's the CoverGirl Eye Enhancer Tubing Mascara, $25. And then may I please remind everyone of Lounge Face Lash
It's your favourite, right?
It's in my top 3. It's one of my all-time favourites and I always purchase it. It's $37, so it's more expensive than most that we're talking about here. But
still
it's
cheaper than the
half
Dior
price.
and Lancome.
Yes, and it's a small business. Lauren Curtis is a content creator and an amazing
She's the OG YouTuber.
Isn't she? And her lashes mug out. And she does before and afters. And it's just, if you don't buy that mascara after watching those, there's something wrong with you. So there's 4 from me. And to clickbait like Kelly about Friday, come back on Friday because I've got another new one that's really good.
Oh, gosh. Everyone's going to have to come back on Friday.
Well, I hope they do anyway.
Yeah, exactly. It's our favourite day of the week.